Oh, okay. Cesar?
Explain?
Where do you see explain?
No, on the represent.
Represent. Okay. Sort of explain. Jaylene?
I want to add on to Miranda for represent. It's something, there's a word inside, it's called present. And when you present something, you show something. And if you put the represent, it means you're going to show a word instead of something else.
Whoa. Jaylene, air high five. That's a great connection. Yeah, so you're going to show and probably make a drawing. All right, friends. A long, long time ago, before fall break, we did a how many tens worksheet, part 1. Okay. Can everyone see it? Okay. So we're just looking at the numbers and we're seeing how many groups of 10 are there. Let's read the question as a class. Sitting straight up just like Giselle. Julio, thank you for your eyes. Ready? Read.
The students in Mr. Jackson's class are collecting pennies. They decided to display them in stacks of 10. How many stacks can they make with 345 pennies? How many single pennies will they have left?
1 second. All right, friends. So we are now going to start working on our objective. We are going to represent 345. Quick question. How many tens are in 100? So how many tens would be in 200?
20.
How many tens would be in 300?
30.
Awesome. So if I'm going to represent 345, I draw. So this is 10 tens, right? Another 10 tens. So how many tens do I have so far?
20.
Another 10 tens, right? So right here, how many tens do I have total?
30.
30 tens. How many is 30 tens?
300.
Yeah. So I have 300 represented. What about what's left of 345? Brenda.
45.
45. And how can I represent that? The strips of 10. How many strips of 10 would I need? Great tracking, Giselle. 4 strips of 10. Everyone count with me. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4.
Elmer, stay with us. Okay, and how many singles do I have?
5.
Great tracking, Jackie. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So I have 30 tens here. How many tens do I have here?
40.
I'm hearing different numbers. I'm hearing 40 and I'm hearing 4. How many tens do I have here?
4.
4. There we go. And 5. We'll just call them leftovers for now, okay? All right, so how many tens total do I have, Aron?
34.
Yeah, I have 34 tens. And how many leftovers? Cesar.
5.
Thank you. 5 leftovers. So last night when I was thinking, how do I get the Stanford trees to really get this? I made this fancy little chart that we are going to fill in right now. So what was our total amount?
345.
345. How many groups of 10 did I have?
34.
34 and, ooh, way to track the board. Alex, how many leftovers did I have?
5. Leftovers.
Very good. Do we think we can find the number of tens in the next problem?
Yes.
All right. So let's read. Number 2.
The students in Miss Kennedy's class are
right, so how many stamps are there?
428.
One, how many stamps are there?
400.
Awesome. We want everyone on board. So, how many boxes of 100 should I make? Sessa? Yep. Oh, I see Jaylene giving you a thumb of encouragement. So I have 1 box of 10, 2 boxes of 10, 3.
Boxes of 10.
What comes next?
4 boxes of 10.
So what do I have represented so far?
400.
400, which is how many tens?
40.
Yeah, that's 40 tens. Have I already collected all the tens in 428?
No.
Alyssa's saying no. Alyssa, how have I? But I mean, what am I missing? How many more tens do I need to collect? 2 more. So, 1,
2.
oh, so I need to just record what we said as a class. So I have 40 tens. And how many tens here again?
2.
2 tens. So how many total tens do I have?
42.
I want 100%. George, how many tens do I have?
42.
The whole class. We're sounding tired. Let's pick it up. How many tens do I have, Stanford Tree?
42.
There we go. 42 tens. And how many leftovers do I have? Isabella.
8.
1. Count with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah. I need you guys to help me double check. Yes, Jaylene.
Something I noticed that when we see the number 428, we see 42 tens because there's a hundreds place and the hundreds place has tens also, and it shows how many hundreds it has. So it's 400s, so it's 40 tens, and then in the tens there's 2 tens, and then you can see easily 42 tens with the hundreds and the
Great tracking, Elena. Yeah, I see that she's noticing a pattern. Let's go back to our chart and fill this in. What was our... Miss Callahan needs to read this. All right. So what was our original number?
428.
So we had 428. How many groups of tens were there?
42.
42. And how many leftovers were there?
8.
Way to track the board, Chris and Cessa. So Jaylene's noticing a pattern. I wonder if this is the same with every 3-digit number. All right, let's do 1 more. We'll do number 3. Ready? Read.
The students in Miss Virgo's class are collecting clothes from juice cans. They are hanging them on the bulletin board. That's a 10. On Wednesday, they had 536 pull tabs. How many bags of 10 were there on the board? How many left over?
Okay, so our number is 536. So how many boxes am I going to draw? Angie.
We are going to draw 5 boxes.
5 boxes, because 5 boxes is the same as 10 tens, which is the same as...
500.
How many 10? So 10 tens is how much?
100.
So how many is 10 tens? How much is 10 tens?
100.
100. Thank you, Jalen. So here's 1 box of 10 tens.
2 boxes.
Thank you for your voice. 10 tens.
3 boxes.
many total tens do I have so far, Monte?
5, 10. No, 50 tens.
I have 50 tens. Check on your thumbs. Do we agree with Monte?
Agree.
Good job, Monte. Yes. So right now we have 50 tens. Have I collected all my tens?
No.
How many tens am I missing?
3.
Alyssa. 3. Yeah. 1, 2. So 3 tens. How many tens do I have total?
53.
53. Great tracking, Nancy. I have 53 tens
And 6 left.
and 6 left over. So let's count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Thank you, Julio. Yeah, I have 6. 6 left.
Over.
6 leftovers. Do we think we're going to have the same pattern on that chart?
Yes.
Thumbs up if you think so. Miranda thinks so. Jaylene thinks so. Alyssa, Giselle, Angie. Let's see, class. I think we're on to something. So our total amount was
536.
536. How many groups of 10 did we have, Giselle?
We had 50.
Check in on your thumbs.
3.
How many?
3.
For some silent encouragement. How many times did we? If you need help, you can ask. Okay.
11. How many people 10 is 55
So there are
There are 50.
53 tens. Can you explain to her why there are 53 tens? Let me do this.
There's 53 times because right there, after it says 50 tens right there, and then 20 tens right there, and then we put them together and we make 53. We put 50 tens and 3 tens together and we make 53 and then 6 were left over. 53 tens and 6 were left. Thank you, but now I understand that there's 53 because if you add the 50 and the 3 together, then you make 53.
Just 53? Can you be more specific? There we go. 53
Tens.
53 tens. And how many leftovers?
6.
All right, friends, I'm going to switch it up on you. Let me erase this. I want you to start this for reading number 4. Okay, ready, read.
On Friday, the students in Miss Vega's class had 58 bags of phone tablets on their bulletin board and 7 single pull tabs on the counter. How many pull tabs did they have? Explain how you figured it out.
What do you notice that's different about this problem than the other problems, Jaylene?
That this is 2-digit instead of a 3-digit. And something else that I noticed is that it's 58 bags of pull bags on the bulletin board and 7 single pull bag stops on the important pull tab. How many pull tabs did they have? I think that